Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to create a section box using Revit and import it in Twinmotion. Go to Revit, open your 3D model, go to 3D, go to Extents, Section Box, then press on Check. And here it is. Now go to Datasmith, open Twinmotion, go to Revit, sync, then go import direct link, then press import, and here it is. Go to Revit, let's toggle auto sync, and let's make our section. Let's make it like this. Go to Twinmotion, go to top, select the section box, go to rotate, go to place, select your first point, I want it from here, and the second point I want it from here, and let's make it like this, and it will look like this. You rotate your section box, then go to Twinmotion, go to pick, let's pick this material, go to materials, search grass, go down, go to rotation, let's make it 15, and let's make the scale bigger like this one. And Revit, like, let's delete this one and go to Twinmotion, it will be deleted.